Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to use the Free Up app. First you need to install the Free Up app, which is available in App Store or Play Store. Then open the app. As you can see the home screen. Guys, let me tell you, once you install the app, then only you'll get up to 800 points free, where you can buy any products over here using coins. You can see different categories like home or clothing, etc. If I choose home, you can see here many products over here, which is available in coins and cash too. If I only want in the coins, what I will do is I will filter it. As you can see, I'll filter only coins and apply. And here I'll get all the products which are available in coins. Friends, if you want to install the Free Up app, here is my referral code. You can use it. As you can see, some products are sold, which indicates that products are not available. Likewise, you will get many products. Friends, here in this app, you will get free product by using coins. Just you need to pay a delivery fee. Suppose I like this product and I'll click on buy now. All the description related to the product which will be given, and even the place, and you can also make an offer. You can ask for an offer. Suppose it is of 50 coins, you can ask for 40 coins. And as you can see, when I click on buy now, it will ask only for the delivery fee, that is 51 rupees. And here is my balance, that is 473. And you can see I have purchased many products over here using coins. Friends, this app is very simple, and if you want to sell any products, then just you need to click on sell, and I made many videos related to this, so I'm gonna add that. And if you order a product and if you have any queries, there is a message where you can connect to a customer care and you can resolve your issues. Here, as you can see, there are different sections where you can connect to the Free Up app customer team and you can resolve your issue. And friends, if you have any queries related to Free Up app, you can comment me on my comment section. I'm super fast at replying all of your comments. And thank you so much, friends.